First you're gonna say you're sorry, promise you won't do it anymore. Come up with a different story.
Yeah, what can I say? Say something I ain't heard before.
I'm too fun to waste my time, too young to waste one night. So here comes some good advice.
If I ever call again, don't press ignore.
'Cause sometimes I'm alone, stare out my window, and the moon makes you seem close tonight. But you've been so hard to touch.